Okay guys, so I wanted to go ahead and show you this kids kitchen playset, let you see it and give you some real honest information about how easy it is to put together. So as you see, I'm just pulling all of the pieces out. Now what I like about it is that it actually has a lot of pieces, but it's super easy to put together. And all you do is really just pop them into place. Sometimes I like things that have a little more pieces because it looks a little more realistic. And this is so stinking cute. It's awesome. Now, another thing I like about it is that it came with stickers. It came with the little kitchen accessories like condiments and, utensils. Basically, everything you need for your child to play with this and have a lot of fun. As you can see, I got mine in pink. I wanted to give you a quick progress. This is at about 10 minutes in, 15 minutes in, and you see it has the stickers, and I also love that it came with instructions that were really easy to read and also had a ton of pictures so you know where to put everything, because a lot of the pieces on the toy are specific to the stickers that they send with it. But I like that it gives it a polished look. Now keep in mind that this has lights and sounds, and this is a for sure pretend play toy which your kid can have a lot of fun with, and this is it all together. Look at this. This was so fun. I think your child will definitely enjoy this.